Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade without heat. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and plenty of cold water. You will also need a sturdy pitcher and a reliable lemon juicer. Having a small amount of hot water ready will help dissolve the sugar quickly, ensuring a smooth, sweet base for your refreshing drink. Next, let's get that delicious lemon juice. Roll each lemon firmly on your counter to help release its juices. Then, cut them in half and use your juicer to extract all the liquid. Be sure to strain the fresh juice through a fine mesh sieve to catch any seeds or pulp, ensuring a perfectly smooth lemonade. Now for the sweetness. In a separate container, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar into 1 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. This creates a simple syrup. Pour this syrup into your pitcher, then add 2 cups of freshly strained lemon juice. Finally, add 4 cups of very cold water, stirring everything together thoroughly. Almost ready to enjoy. Give your lemonade a taste and adjust the sweetness if you like. You can add a little more sugar syrup or lemon juice. Add plenty of ice cubes and some fresh lemon slices to your pitcher for a beautiful presentation. Chill the lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving for the best, most refreshing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.